Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are opening the doors to a coach that represents the absolute upper echelon of luxury motorhome travel. This is the 2015 American Coach American Revolution 39A. If you are a connoisseur of high-end diesel pushers, you know that American Coach is legendary for its structural integrity and upscale residential design. But what makes this specific coach a total jaw-dropper is the odometer. This motorhome only has 10,000 original miles. Finding a 2015 luxury coach that has been preserved like a time capsule with mileage this low is a true once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. At 40 feet long, it features the highly desirable 39A floor plan with 4 enormous slide-outs that expand to create a magnificent interior layout once you arrive at your destination. Take a look at this exterior presence. We are looking at American Coach's Cashmere Sand full-body paint package. The blend of warm golds, tans, and dark metallic charcoals is incredibly sophisticated and commands attention at any 5-star RV resort. Because it features an automotive-grade multi-stage paint process and a deep clear coat, it has a brilliant glass-like shine that completely reflects the premium quality of this build. There are no vinyl graphics here to fade or peel. This is true custom-painted luxury. For outdoor living, you have a power patio awning and a dedicated power door awning that create a massive shaded outdoor lounge. You also have a complete window awning package and protective slide toppers installed over all 4 slides to keep your seals safe from debris and water. Now check this out. We have installed brand new tires all the way around this entire coach. You are hitting the highway on a completely fresh set of rubber, which is a massive maintenance expense you can completely cross off your list. Throughout this walk around, notice the polished aluminum wheels, the frameless windows, and the integrated side view camera system built right into the side mirrors. Around the back, you'll find a heavy-duty 10,000-pound trailer hitch, perfect for pulling a stacker trailer or a full-size vehicle with total confidence. We are going to wrap up our exterior walk so you can see the gorgeous, clean lines of this 40-footer before we open up the basement compartments to inspect the heavy-duty mechanical systems. Let's move down to the basement, because the mechanical foundation of an American Revolution is where the real engineering shines. We are riding on the heavy-duty Freightliner XCR raised rail chassis. Because it is a raised rail design, it allows for true pass-through basement storage compartments with a large slide-out storage tray included. This makes it completely effortless to reach your heavy gear, storage bins, or folding chairs from either side of the coach without ever crawling inside. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL9 diesel engine. It produces a massive 450 horsepower and a staggering 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This combination is highly respected in the industry for being an absolute powerhouse, allowing you to pull steep mountain passes with total confidence. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, perfect for enjoying the outdoors while keeping up with the game. Because this is a high-end coach, the utility systems are top tier. We have the AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system. This provides you with unlimited hot water and quiet, radiant furnace heat throughout the cabin without needing propane. For power, we have a massive Onan 10-kilowatt quiet diesel generator mounted on a power slide-out tray for effortless service. You've also got 50-amp service on a power cord reel, a Magnum inverter charger, a central vacuum system, and dual-roof ACs with heat pumps to keep the cabin ice-cold. Campground setup is a breeze thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with simple touchpad controls. To keep you safe on the road, you have a full rear view and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor. Let's head inside and see how the premium luxury continues in the cabin. Up into the American Revolution, and you are immediately greeted by a breathtaking level of luxury. One of the first things you will notice is the gorgeous heated tile flooring that runs throughout the entire coach. There are few things as luxurious as stepping onto a warm tile floor on a chilly morning. The 39A floor plan is a masterpiece of design, utilizing its 4 enormous slides to create a wide-open residential environment that feels like a custom penthouse suite. You'll notice the high-gloss cabinetry, the premium crown molding, and the sheer volume of space immediately. It truly feels like a custom home on wheels from the moment you step through the door. The living room area is designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. We have a comfortable plush recliner and a large pull-out sleeper sofa. This sofa easily converts into a second bed, ensuring this coach can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. This seating arrangement is perfectly situated to enjoy the primary entertainment center, which features a 40-inch TV and a beautiful electric fireplace right below. The fireplace adds a wonderful residential ambiance and serves as an excellent source of electric heat on those cool mornings. It is a fantastic social space for relaxing after a day of adventure. Looking forward into the cockpit, you'll notice an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the 2 front seats, so no one misses the action while the coach is in social mode. The captain's chairs are incredibly plush and swivel around to join the lounge when you're parked. Right adjacent to the living space is your table dinette. This setup includes 4 chairs, 2 of which can be folded up and stowed away when you don't need them. It provides a clean, residential dining experience with a great view out the window. The kitchen is an absolute chef's dream on the road, featuring beautiful solid surface countertops and premium stainless steel appliances. You have an induction cooktop for fast, efficient cooking, a microwave convection oven, and a massive residential refrigerator and freezer. And check this out, it comes with the dishwasher option tucked right into the cabinetry. Cleanup is completely effortless. The stainless steel residential sink and high-rise faucet provide plenty of room for meal prep. And look at this, we have an extendable countertop section that pulls out for even more space when you're cooking a big meal. The cabinet storage throughout this galley is outstanding, featuring custom drawers and hidden hinges that reflect American Coach's signature handcrafted quality. It is a very clean, bright, and highly functional space. Moving down the hallway, we find a beautifully appointed private bathroom, and they did not skimp on the space here. Look at this setup. You have a double sink and vanity. This is such a rare and highly desirable feature in a 40-foot coach, providing an incredible amount of extra counter space and drawer storage for your toiletries. The centerpiece is a large shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a skylight that adds a beautiful amount of natural light and excellent headroom. You also have a toilet and a high-volume power vent fan to keep the air fresh. It's a clean, bright, and highly functional space with premium fixtures that perfectly matches the high-end residential feel of the rest of the coach, allowing 2 people to get ready at the same time in total comfort. Welcome to the Master Retreat. What makes the 39A layout so incredible is that you get a massive king-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing the absolute pinnacle of sleeping comfort on the road. Having a king bed on the road is the ultimate luxury for a great night's rest. This room is a peaceful sanctuary packed with features. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV back here, along with an absolute abundance of drawer storage for all your travel attire. And look right here, we have a stackable washer and dryer system already installed in its own dedicated closet. Unlike the combo units, Having separate machines allows you to wash and dry simultaneously while you're out enjoying your vacation, keeping you completely self-sufficient. Turning around, check out this massive wardrobe closet that spans the width of the wall, providing enough room for all your hanging clothes and gear for any season. The heated tile floors continue all the way back into this room, making it an incredibly warm and cozy space to wake up to. The woodwork and premium accent lighting back here really highlight American Coach's exceptional craftsmanship. Because this room is separated from the front half of the RV by a solid door, it serves as a quiet, comfortable sanctuary that ensures you get a peaceful night's rest before the next day's drive. Let's start walking back through the hallway towards the front half of the RV so you can see how fluid and open this entire floor plan truly is. Every transition feels wide and natural, highlighting the excellent space management of the 39A layout. Walking back through the hallway and into the living room, you can see how well-designed the flow of this coach is. The opposing slides in the front area create a massive amount of floor space, making it easy for family and guests to move around without ever feeling cramped. As we move forward past the galley, notice how bright the space is thanks to the large panoramic windows. We're heading right up to the driver's seat to take a look at the cockpit command center. Settling into the driver's seat, you are sitting in a high-end command center with a commanding view of the road through that massive windshield. Everything is right at your fingertips, from the electronic air brakes and the touchpad controls for the automatic Allison transmission, to your hydraulic leveling controls and camera monitors. To recap, you are looking at a luxury masterpiece with only 10,000 original miles, a 450 horsepower Cummins engine, a king bed, double vanities, stackable laundry, an aqua-hot system, brand new tires, and that gorgeous Cashmere Sand full-body paint. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet, and as always, happy camping!